Hi, in this tutorial video, we'll learn how to create a retention campaign. Kick things off by selecting the campaign section in ACO Marketing. Tap on Create Campaign to start building a new campaign that drives traffic and boosts sales for your store. Choose Loyalty Retargeting to start. Let's now set up your basic ad settings. Start by setting up your daily budget and product catalog. Before setting up your product catalog, let's learn the difference between a product catalog and a product set. Click Create Catalog. Simply choose a Shopify collection.
First, choose your audience.
You can apply filtering rules to define who should be included in your audience. Here's what each rule means. So now let's learn what does the relationship and/or setting do. Let's learn to create the other type of audience. Now let's learn how to create audience. Here's where you can customize your target audience, which includes the age, location, gender, and ad placement. Keep in mind that for Taiwan region, merchants need to include their business ID number. This step is required by the government. Let's now learn how to customize your ad setting. For the carousel format, you'll need to customize your discount code and ad message. For the image format, you'll need to customize your discount code, ad message, and image. For the collection type, you can choose between video and image. For the video, customize your discount code, ad message, and video. On the other hand, for the image format, you'll need to upload your discount code, ad message, image, and headline. Now let's review and finalize your campaign. Go to Campaigns. Click the Analytics icon to instantly reveal in-depth performance data for your chosen campaign. Use the Campaign Overview to check impressions, click-through rates, and conversions.